Hello friends, welcome back. Hope all my kids are doing well and they're enjoying all my activities. Just go through my nursery rhymes also. They'll enjoy a lot with props. So today I'll be telling you about shapes. Today I'll tell you about these 4 shapes. Square with all equal sides, triangle with 3 sides, rectangle with 2 opposite equal sides, and circle. I've already made some cutouts with foam sheets and made those shapes. This is triangle. Show it to your children like this. Make these things at home. This makes more interesting for them to learn things. So whenever you are introducing shapes, just showing the books and showing the shapes to them would not be that much fun like this. If you make this kind of things at home and show them, it will be more interesting and more fun for them to learn shapes. So this is triangle. See, triangle with 3 sides. This is square with 4 equal sides. And circle. This is circle. And rectangle. Before moving to any other shape, they should first know these 4 shapes. Then only we can move to any other shape. Now I have got this big book of shapes where we can again see triangle shape. See, this is triangle shape. What can we see with this triangle shapes? Sandwich. This sandwich is triangle in shape. And this warning sign as well. Triangular ruler. And a napkin folded into triangle shape. Now comes the square shape. See? Square shape. And what can we see with the square shapes? Bread. This is photo frame, square shaped. A gift box which is square in shape. And a handkerchief, rectangle shape. Rectangle shape. A doormat which is rectangular in shape. Door. Envelope. And chocolate. Chocolate bar which is again rectangle in shape. Now comes circle. Circle. Biscuits which is circle in shape. Button. Wall clock and a circular plate. So we have seen some objects which are of these 4 shapes. Now we'll be moving on to a shapes activity. Serving a shapes breakfast platter to your children. How will it look? Very interesting, right? Children will enjoy a lot. So I have prepared something which you can serve to your children, like a triangle sandwich. Any kind of sandwich you can make, jam or butter or mayo. Triangle sandwich for him or her. Then a rectangle also. 2 small sandwiches you can make, 1 triangle and 1 rectangle sandwich. And serve her with a cream cracker like this, which is square in shape, totally square in shape. And a circular food. Here I have used a Marie biscuit for the circle shape. You can cut any fruits, like any citrus fruits, orange or sweet lime, into circular shapes and serve it to them. It will be a total shapes breakfast platter for them and they enjoy a lot. And tell them, see, I have given you today a shapes breakfast platter where you can get triangle sandwiches and 1 rectangle sandwich, 1 citrus fruit cut into circle. It looks like a wheel, right? And a cream cracker which is totally square in shape. Enjoy your platter. The activity which we'll do today, for that I need a white paper and I have drawn these 4 shapes on that and written the names square, triangle, circle and rectangle and named it Shapes Stamp Activity. From some foam sheets I have cut out small triangle, square, circle and a small rectangle from it. We need 4 colors to be mixed up in a palette and keep it aside. Ask your kid to take the circle shape. Now let's dip it in any of the colors and pick it up. And where to put it? I'll put it on the circle and make circular stamps like this. Yes. Similarly, the rectangle shape. I've dipped it in the color blue and I'm putting it, the stamps, on the rectangular shape. Constantly encourage your child for whatever she is doing. She'll love doing it. Square shape. Yes, just like this. It's fun, right? Square shapes I'm putting on square shapes. And the triangle. Once you're done with the activity, try discussing them again and again with these 4 shapes and label the activities as shape stamp activity. Write your child's name and date and keep it for drying. Then put it in a folder so that later on when they grow up they see these things and they feel good for them that they have done these things when they were little ones. We'll discuss more on shapes afterwards. Once they get acquainted with these 4 shapes, we'll discuss on that afterwards. Till then, keep following my channel and like and subscribe and share. Till then, bye-bye.